In this video, let's learn how to check whether any number is divisible by 3 or not. So we have seen for 10, we have seen for 5, we have seen for 2 in the previous videos. This is the time for the number 3. And let me explain you this with an example. Suppose you have number 103. So if you have to check whether 103 is divisible by 3 or not, then what you will do is just add all these digits. So in this number 103, you have digit 1, you have digit 0, and you have digit 3. So there are 3 digits and you just add them. So the addition would be 1 plus 0 plus 3, and the sum would be 4. Is number 4 divisible by 3? Of course not. 4 is not divisible by 3, therefore 4 is not the multiple of 3, and therefore the number 103 will not be divisible by 3. What about number 104? Again, if you add all these digits, it would be 1 plus 0 plus 4, and this will be 5. Is number 5 divisible by 3? The answer is no. The number 5 is not divisible by 3, and therefore 104 is not divisible by 3. What about 105? So the addition would be 1 plus 0 plus 6. Sorry, it's 5. And the sum would be 6. And yes, 6 is divisible by 3. 6 is divisible by 3. It's 3 times 2 is equal to 6, right? Therefore 6 is the multiple of 3, and therefore 105 is divisible by 3. Therefore the rule or the condition that must be satisfied is, for any number to be divisible by 3, the sum of all the digits should be divisible by 3, right? So you just add all the digits, and after adding, the sum you will get, or the answer that you will get, this should be divisible by 3. And if it is divisible by 3, then that number would be divisible by 3. Let me take one more example. What about say 7, 3 and 2? Is this number divisible by 3? So you go on and add the digits, all the digits. It's 7 plus 3 plus 2. This would be 12. And yes, 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Therefore this number 12 is divisible by 3, and therefore this number would be divisible by 3. And you can cross check it. So 732, you divide it by 3, so this goes 1, and you have then 3, and you have 12, and then you have this 2, and you have then 12. So 3 times 244 is equal to 732. And similarly, you can cross check for this one also, and this one also, and this one also. So this is the shortest way, this is the shortcut way to tell whether any number is divisible by 3 or not.